Yes. Are we back again? Yes, we are back again. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today's newspaper, May the 4th, Monday, 6 Sudokus. The second one is a Sudoku with 2 stars. The first one we have also finished this a minute ago, so we will continue with this Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here A4 in this row, A4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be here. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And then we go to this number, 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row? 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. I see here 6 in this big square, so no 6s in these 3 boxes. In this box we have also a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6, should be this one. Then 2, 3, and 7. Yes, these 3 numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 here. So in this box, 1 digit left should be the 2. Here we have a pair, the 3 and 7, 3 and a 7. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. The 7 we have in this column, the 7 we have in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 3, and the 2. The 2, yes, that means in this row we have a 2 here. In that row we have a 2 over there, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now, we have 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. I mark this. That means these 2 in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so on the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 9. 1, 3, and a 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in the middle row for the number 9. Then how about 7, 2. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. These 2 numbers, the 7 and the 5 are missing in the third column. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers missing in this big square, the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this column, row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4, can I fill this? No, I cannot fill this. Yet I need to wait. These, no, 1, 2, and the 3 are missing. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and now these 3 numbers in the first column, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, and 9. I see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only 1 place left for the 7 should be there. The 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 9, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. 1 place left for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this last row for the number 3. And these 3 numbers, I remember the 1, 2, and the 3 are left. We have a 2 and a 3, so this box should be the 1, because 1 digit left, yes. And we have the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Here, this big square, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. How about 7? No. These 2 numbers in this big square, 5 and the 4 are missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row, the 3 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 8, I believe. Yes. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8, and this should be the 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 2 and 3. Now we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Alright, for Sudoku, 2 stars, faster than the 1 star. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching again. And in a minute, I will continue with the Sudoku with 3 stars. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.